Hello everybody, this is Albizia julibrissin of the Fabaceae, which is the pea, bean, or legume family. Julibrissin, adapted from the Persian word for silk flower, and this is mimosa, powder puff tree, or silk tree. To identify it, the leaves are alternate along the twig, but they are bipinnately compound. Remember, pinnate kind of means leaflets on either side of the rachis, which is the main stem of the leaf, and bipinnately just means that there's another division there. So each of these small little green structures is a leaflet. This whole structure is a leaf. These leaves are generally oval in shape. They can be about 10 to 12 inches long, and they're kind of feathery in appearance, and there's many leaflets. Another interesting fact, they kind of fold together at nighttime to prevent water loss. To identify the bark, it's smooth, even when it's older. It's gray-brown at maturity. It's kind of warty in appearance. There's these lenticels, remember, used for gas exchange. They're warty in appearance, and they're kind of bumped and raised along the smoother bark. And that even persists when it's much older. The fruit, as you can see developing here, is a legume. Remember, it splits along two sides, and it's dehiscent typically, which means it dries out at maturity. So this will develop to a fruit about 5 to 6 inches long, maybe a little longer. It'll be dark brown at maturity and dry. You can see the seeds are pretty pronounced. We are learning other legumes in this semester, but remember, for example, Robinia pseudoacacia, it's going to be a little smaller. Cercis canadensis is also smaller. This one, I think the best way to differentiate it is those pronounced seeds and just the general size of it, because it's going to be a little bit larger. This one is pointed at both ends. It matures in the fall, so we're getting there right about now. If you were to go back into the early summer, in this, you'd see the flowers develop, and that's where it gets its name from, because they're kind of these long, silky, kind of lacy flowers that are a nice bright pink, and they are all over the tree. And this was planted for landscaping use because of that appearance, but it is non-native. It's native to Iran all the way to China. It's pollinated by hummingbirds, and you'll commonly find it on roadsides, so along highways, or you'll find it on stream sides where the stream bed has been disturbed. So to wrap up, that was Albizia julibrissin, of the Fabaceae, mimosa, powder puff tree, or silk tree.